Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the net and frame closely so you know what to fix and why. Look for small rips, missing spline, warped frame, or bent clips. These tell you whether to patch or replace. Once done, remove any loose debris and test the window operation to confirm access. Make sure to have a replacement net and matching spline on hand. This prevents delays. You'll act quickly now. Loosen a corner of the spline so you can free the old screen without stretching or tearing the frame further. You now remove the old spline and screen, working along one side to avoid damaging the frame. Use a flat screwdriver or spline tool to pry the spline out, then peel the net away. Once clear, clean the channel and remove dirt or adhesive, sand any rough spots and straighten bent rails so the new spline seats evenly. Next, position the replacement net over the frame with about 1/2 to 1 inch overlap. This gives room to tension the mesh evenly without puckering. When you roll the new spline, you press the new spline into the channel using a roller while keeping consistent tension on the net so it lays flat. Start at a corner and go along opposite sides to balance the pull. Once the spline is seated, trim the excess mesh flush with a utility knife for a clean edge and reinstall any clips or frame stops you removed. Test the window to make sure it opens smoothly. If you see sagging or gaps, reseat the spline or add a middle support. This one quick adjustment usually solves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.